Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. I'm a hairstylist based in Abuja, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my frontal install. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this is my beautiful model, kind of my client. The first thing I do is to use my Gorilla Snot Gel to take in her edges so it doesn't come in the way of my installation, and also I'm protecting her hair. So next step, I'm going in with the stocking cap or the wig cap, whatever you call it. I'm going to drag it down to her face to stretch it out a bit, and then I'm going to cut out the ear part before I go ahead and spray it down with my got be spray. Then I'm going to use my blow dryer to blow it so it dries up before I go ahead and trim the cap off. Next, I'll be using my scissors to cut out the excess so I can expose the hairline so I'll know what I'm working with. And then I'll be going ahead to use my razor or shears, no razor, I think so, to cut out the cap as well. Then I'll be going in with my hair by any glue to further apply on the hairline to make the wig cap flat so I can lay my frontal, more like a bald cap method. Note, I am still learning how to make the bald cap method, so pardon me if you think I'm doing anything wrong. We are here to learn. I'm also learning how to install. So yeah, after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and use my blow dryer to dry it out. Then I'll go ahead to use my foundation in her shade to rub on the cap so it matches her skin. Note, you can use powder, whatever you find you can use. You can even use the knot healer from Hair by Any. I'm going to use that in the wig, on the net, sorry. You see me using that as well, so whichever works for you, it's fine. You just need to color the stocking cap to match your client's skin tone or your skin tone. Supposing my client gave me her wig before this installation, I would have bleached and tinted this lace, but she didn't. So I'm going in with the knot healer from Hair by Any on Instagram in the shade brown to blend, apply it so it will blend with her skin. So next step, I'm sewing down the stocking cap on her head. Sometimes I don't do this. Anyway, I just go with the flow. It's totally optional. You can just skip this part, but she wanted to be able to itch her hair. That's why I'm going to sew this and then cut out the excess cap. Next, I'm going to be wearing her wig and then adjusting it to fit her head. Then I'm going to cut out the excess lace from her ear tabs. So we don't want the hair to sit on her ear, sorry. So I'm cutting out the excess lace. I don't know why I did not show this part very well, like we were pressed for time, so I was just trying to speed up. So the lace is supposed to sit on your side bob, if you know that. Yes. So if it's longer than that, you just have to use scissors or whatever sharp object you have and cut out the lace. So right now I'm just separating the lace, so sometimes it's easier for me to apply the glue like this. So here I am using alcohol, rubbing alcohol, isopropyl. I cannot pronounce that, but you know what I mean. I'm cleaning her hairline to get rid of oil, dirt, so the hair will be able to stick, the lace will be able to stick to her head, sorry. Next, I'm going in with the glue from Hair by Any, and I'm going to apply it in thin layers and use my tail comb to spread it out so it dries faster. I'm repeating this process for 3 times. Sorry, what English is that? I'm going to repeat this process 3 times. After I apply, I'm going to use my blow dryer on cool and warm setting to dry it out. Make sure your glue is clear, like clear, not white like this, clear, before you go ahead and apply the second and third coat. You can go 4 or 5 times depending on how long you want your wig to sit. So yeah, I did this 3 times. Next, I'll start applying the lace in sections. I'm starting from the other side, from one side to the other side. So make sure your glue is very clear before you start applying the lace or melting the lace, if I do say so myself. So I'm just dragging and adjusting it and making sure it's on the hairline and on where I apply the glue. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. While I'm applying it, I'm going to be using my blow dryer on warm, certain, and hot. You're going to be interchanging it, and then you're going to be melting the lace on her hairline. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other side as well, and then I'll be going in with my got2b spray to further help hold down the lace. So right now I'm going in with my hot comb because I'm kind of also styling the hair while I'm laying it. So I want every hair to go back so it doesn't get in my way. I forgot to tell you guys that before. I'm doing that, so I take everything back and then I go ahead to style my hair. So right now I'm applying the got2b spray for further melting before I go ahead and tie it down with a band so it sticks to her hair. Yeah. Sometimes I do my baby hairs before I tie it down with a band, and other times I do it this way. So whichever way works for you. Every hairstylist has their own way of installing hair. So right now I'm styling the hair and then parting the hair to her desired style. I didn't really show you guys how I styled this hair, but it's basically a side swoop and then I'm going to curl the hair. You already know I have a video on how to curl hairs on this channel. That is why I didn't really show you guys all. So right now I'm just styling the hair and parting it before I go ahead and cut out the excess lace and then do my baby hairs. And yeah. So I've loosened the band now. I want to cut out the excess lace. I'm going to try as much as possible to cut it close to her, where we apply the glue, to her hairline. Try as much as possible to remove the excess lace, and then where you see that is stuck too much to her, on her hairline, called English, where you see that is overstucked on her hairline, you're going to just spray it with water and remove the excess net. Right now I'm pressed for time. I'm really working as fast as I can, so sorry if I didn't really show you guys, but I'm basically just cutting out the lace, and then I'm going to go ahead to clean her hairline with my alcohol, and then I'll also spray it with got2b again to further melt it. Then I'll go ahead and do my baby hairs and style the hair. So guys, this is what my beautiful client is looking like after she's been made up. I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys in due process. We do better next time. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.